Dr. Hamilton here, continuing our healthy living series. Today my family's in town and I'm going to be cooking breakfast for them. So I'll be cooking some bacon. We got this from the deli, peppercorn. I've mixed my pancakes, which are carb free. We'll go over them. I'm going to do egg whites because of the cholesterol issues that we've talked about. And I'm going to add cheese. So I wanted to go over the pancake mix that I'm using because I often will get this question. I've already started. The pancake mix that we're using is paleo. So if you're doing a low carb or keto, this would be a good option. You can get this we got this from Costco, but you can get this from Sprouts or any health food store. It has almond and coconut. And if you want to make your own flour, you can use almond or coconut flour, and then eggs. It has no added sugar. It's gluten-free and grain-free. This is easier for me with lots of people because I can just add water. But if you look at the back here, 16 grams of carbs minus the 5, so 11, but that's for 2 to 3 pancakes. And then it depends on how big you make your pancakes. And the protein is 7 grams. So if you look here, I've already started. I'm using a copper pan, but mine are small. So you could this will probably be 4 pancakes for 11 grams of carbs, which will fill most people up. The eggs have minimal in them, and you know bacon has fat and cholesterol, but it doesn't have any carbs. And so these eggs actually have no carbs also, and they have 5 grams of protein. So when fixing this meal, you'll get about 20 to 30 grams of protein and minimal carbs. For your oil to do your butter, to do your pancakes, you can either use butter or olive oil. I want the fat, so I'm using butter. If you have cholesterol problems, use olive oil, but that'll be a good alternative. And then voila, in a few minutes, breakfast will be served.